Hello viewers, in this video we'll see how Mentimeter can be used as an icebreaker in between our online classes. So this is the page of Mentimeter which is available for teacher on mentimeter.com. You need to sign up for a free account. Click on sign up. You can sign up with Google or Facebook or any other email address. If you already have an account, you need to log in. So login also is with Google or Facebook or your password whichever you have given, or you log in with Google. So here is the page of mentimeter.com. You need to click on new presentation. The name of your presentation has to be given. It is anything random, whichever you want you can give. Then click on create presentation. The new presentation will be created. And we have two uses for Mentimeter. One is to ask poll questions like which we use in Zoom, or you can also create a quiz competition. So here are the different poll questions which we can give. In poll question, we can just see the results of the participants whoever are there. But in quiz competition, we can give the correct answer and we can see who has given the correct answer in that particular thing. So we'll say one quiz competition question. Click on quiz competition. The number of participants is 2000. So this is the question we have to give here. Here we need to type the question. I'll write it as what is simple question. Here we need to type the answers. I'll write it as blue, green, yellow. We have to click on plus add to give more options, or red. These I'll write, and then we need to click the correct answer in this option. So I'll correct the blue one as correct answer. We can even give the time limit for answering these questions, and you can add music to this, and we can even add leaderboard to see who has given the first correct answer. So here is the 5-digit code which is available. The students have to use this code to get into this answering of this question. They have to go to www.menti.com and then use this code to get into this question. This question will be displayed and options will be played, and they can answer these questions. We can see this results. We can even share the code using this share option here. We can give this link directly or this QR code to the students. Whichever is possible they can use. So I'll use this link now. I'll copy it, and we'll see how to play this game. The teacher has to click on present. So this will be displayed for the students. It is waiting for the players. When the players are added, we can click on start quiz so that the students can start playing the game. So I have opened two windows. One, this left side is for the teacher who is waiting for the students, and this right side is opposite is of student. I'll paste that link which is used here. So this is what will be opening. Here we need to write the name of the student. We can write anything here. It is up to us. I'll write as A and then click on join quiz. So now As I have clicked on start quiz, the question is displayed here. What is the color of sky? I need to click any one answer. So the timing is displayed, and here we can see the person has been voted and the result has been displayed. That it is correct answer and these all are wrong answers. It is a good icebreaker for online classes to see who has understood the questions well. Thank you.